a poem by Walt Whitman.
What?
O captain, my captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every rock. The prize we sought is won. The port is near, the bells I hear, the people all exulting, while follow eyes they steady chill, the vessel grim and daring. But oh heart, 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 oh the bleeding drops of red, where on the deck my captain lies, fallen, cold and dead. O captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bell. Rise up, for you the flag flames, for you the bugle trills, for you bouquet and ribbon wreath, for you ashore the crowding, for you they call the swaying mass, their eager face of turning. Dear father, this arm beneath your head, it is some dream that nonetheless you've fallen cold and dead. My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. My captain does not feel my arm. He has no pulse, nor will. The ship is anchored safe and sound. Its voyage closed and done. From fearful trip, the victor ship comes amid object one. Exalt, O shore, and ring, O bells. But I, with mournful tread, walk the deck, my captain lies, fallen, cold and dead.